Welcome to ATEC. Today we will discuss that how you can turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. It's very important for protection of eyes. So first of all, open your WhatsApp. On top right corner you can see three dots option. So click it. Here you can see a lot of options. So we will move to settings. In setting we will move to chats. So here you can see two options on top, theme and wallpaper. So we will open theme. So here you can see two options, light mode and dark mode. So we will turn on dark mode now. We will select it and click on OK button. So you can see my WhatsApp theme is turned to dark mode. So you can easily turn on dark mode on WhatsApp by following these methods. So in the same way you can turn on light mode again. So this is very important to protect your eyes, especially at night. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like and share.